some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
Hello! Dito kami ngayon sa malapit sa Gaisano. Gaisano Times Square dito sa Iloilo. Gala-gala. Inihintay namin ngayon sila tita. Sama si Nalaber tsaka si Tazel. Namimiss na namin sila, parang ilang buwan na namin hindi sila nakikita.
2 months, almost 2
Oo,
months.
parang almost 2 months.
Yes. So, dito kami, nag-aantay na lang kami, kailan sila darating.
Papunta na yata sila dito.
Kung naghihintay, si Tipi nakadalawang tayo na. Kaya ayan, pagod na siya. Relax na.
Ang bilis niya mapagod kasi parang almost 2 months din hindi siya nakakalakad-lakad kasi 'di ba sa Antique dun sa bahay namin sa Antique. Lagi siyang tumatakbo dun sa dagat, everyday naglalakad kami. Dito hindi masyado. Kaya siguro parang ang bilis niya mahingal.
Hindi na nasana yung
exercise. Halika, Tet.
yung ano niya, yung respiratory
Alam
system niya.
niya, siya yung pinag-uusapan eh. Nabibi, no? Love you. I love you.
Makipag-friends pa sa mga.
Hippie girl! Girl, ma? Oo.
Paano ko nakilala? Ikaw palang gurde.
Hindi mo lang cream. Hindi nagasalay ko kita. Cream din? Ha? Walang cream din. Walang cream din man? Ano nang cream din man? Ano itong girl kilala? Hindi mo lang cream. Sino na? Sino to? Magsimot ka sa likod. Salamat tayo.
Ang kilala na ko tayo.
Magsimot ka sa likod. Ay, dali na.
Ikaw ah.
Wake up in the morning light. Feel the rhythm, feel the mind. Every step is just a fight. On this stage of life tonight. Dreams are calling, stick around. Hear the music, feel the sound. In this heartbeat we are found. Living life is Every challenge, every game, like a storm, like pouring rain, wash away what's not in vain. Carry on and hold on tight, in the day and in the night. Find your fire, find your light, burn it bright with all your might. It's a way of life we choose, every win and every bruise. In this dance we never lose, living wild, no time to snooze. Through the darkness, through the pain, every challenge, every game, like a storm, like pouring rain, wash away what's not in vain. Carry on and hold on tight, in the day and in the night. Find your fire, find your light, burn it bright with all your might. Yeah, it's a way of life we choose, every win and every bruise. In this dance we never lose, living wild, no time to snooze.
At least no ka na noodles na.
Ganda ka ba? Sa ilo mo na, parang talagang pagkakapos ka na nilala. Buka karamutan.
Assistant mo sa likod.
Wala.
Gucci bag. Parang mo West, ano na? Saint Laurent.
It's so big.
Ne? Ooh, baby. Yes. Ano? Ay, makalang good.
Ulit kitang lagaw. Ano? Saka na lang isipin na.
Kay makomodate sa nadireksuron lang flight pa yung pila.
Okay.
Hindi sa nang balik mo dyan.
Tapos
Tapos ako rin lang
na ng plane.
Thank you.
Ang pwede rin sa plane na.
Pwede rin.
Yung may Cebu Pacific na kagaling. Okay. Punta na kita mo yes. Tapos nala ko kung galing. Wala na. Pangibang.
Pagod na si Mama Dog. Pagod na si Mama Dog.
Pinadura na ng pula na rin yan eh. Nagkakakama. Kaping-ping.
Girl. Lawan na yung tiran. Lawan na yung tiran.
Daway comment yan tayo. Ang hirap mo lang. Ang hirap mo lang.